6 years ago, I was diagnosed with MCI, probably due to Alzheimer's. After my initial despair, I decided I and everyone else that has any kind of mild cognitive impairment need to do all we can to help research. When this opportunity came open, I knew it was one I really wanted to participate in.
In my lab, I'm interested in studying how real-world mobility can provide us insights into brain health. My lab actually uses neuroscience approaches in order to understand what are the cognitive and motor impairments that affect functional mobility. And our goal is we want to improve functional independence and quality of life in people who have stroke and cognitive impairments, both due to Alzheimer's disease and also due to vascular cognitive impairment. My lab uses passive monitoring technology to understand everyday driving behavior.
So today started with a bit of cognitive testing. It went to some visual recognition testing. It went to the responsiveness in my right hand, my dominant hand. I did some mobility tests, balance testing, and then I got to drive this nice, highly sensitive car.
It takes a lot of faith to leave the comfort environment of their home and come out to a research lab and participate in a study. When an individual is able to come and work with us either in our lab or we can go to their home environment, their investment can change the future of health. And in my case, specifically people with stroke and Alzheimer's disease, they can have a better quality of life because of 1 or 2 hours that an individual will donate of their time so that we can understand the science behind movement impairments and eventually help people to move better in their own environment.
We really haven't studied that much about mobility, cognitive impairment, how it affects our movement, how it affects our driving. And that is so key. Maybe it's an early way to detect one of these illnesses. Maybe it's a way to help people decide when not to drive. Or maybe it's a way to help people decide they can keep on driving for a while. So there's so much promise about this research.
Functional mobility is key to human existence.
Anyone who might be interested in working with this lab, it's just a spectacular, friendly, teaching and learning oriented place.